Hey man, Nike and Jordan Brand has been spicing it up a little bit, man. They've been throwing a couple more heaters here and there. And I'm telling y'all, bruh, next year is probably gonna be one of the best years for sneakers. And I feel like I said that for this year, but once you see what's coming out next year in 2025, you'll be surprised, but it's coming with a little bit of twist. Nike switching things up. We gotta talk about it in today's video, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to another video from your boy DeVintage, man. You know we here, bro. We here in full effect. We got another banger for you guys, man. I wish I had the homie Tops here for me, man. Them bangers, bro. We talking about some dope stuff today, man. We got some heat coming out. But if you guys are new here to the channel, before we get any further, man, make sure you subscribe right now, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way. And it shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, man. So do those three great things for your boy, and we can hop into today's video. All right, so for the last, I would say 2-3 years, maybe like 2-3 years, bruh, the Jordan 1 hype has been dead. It's been dead. It's been low. It's been diminished. And I feel like that's due to the fact that we've been getting so many colorways we ain't been asking for. Everybody wants some OGs. People want the UNCs. People want the Chicagos. People want them type of colorways. And next year, I'm just hoping Jordan Brand does not ruin this classic Air Jordan 1. And if you ain't heard the news yet, you're sleeping under a rock. We're going to be getting the Air Jordan 1 breads again. And man, I had to walk over here real quick just to grab my satin bread pair. You guys can see them right here. We got breads for this. We got these satins, and I also have the patent satins real quick. Let me grab these, man. I want to give you guys this full video. Let me show you how much I love the breads and how excited I am that they're coming out. I have the patent breads, the reimagined. I think it's the first reimagined or the second reimagined for the reimagined line. And then we also have the satin breads. Like, bruh, I love the breads, but not only are we getting the breads next year, we'll be getting it in the 1985 cut. Yes, guys, yes, it's happening, bro. This is a real thing. This ain't an April Fool's joke. This ain't one of them, you know what I'm saying, rumor mills that we ain't getting it. We're definitely getting it. Of course, Jordan Brand could push it back if they wanted to, but yes, bro, the first banger that I want to talk about today's video is the breads coming back next year in 2025, man. And I high cut 85 look, man. Your boy's excited, bro. I can't wait. But I just hope Jordan Brand don't mess it up, man. You know they always going too far sometime, and we've seen that with a couple of the last Air ones we have gotten. Even some OG colorways we've gotten, they switched up a little bit. Hence, the Air Jordan 4 military blues, or the industrial blues, I'm sorry. They changed the color up, they changed the shades of white up, and all that stuff. So it ain't like we ain't used to seeing Jordan Brand kind of switch up and change the horizon of an entire sneaker, because it could potentially happen, man. But let's hope they don't mess up the bread ones. I think it's kind of hard to do, but you just never know with Nike and Jordan Brand. Yo, man, then next, bro, I'm gonna have to walk around in this video, bro. I gotta walk around and just grab some heaters to talk about, bro. We also will be getting the Air Jordan 12 flu games. Yes, again, bro. And I hope they don't mess these up either, because, you know, back when I was in, I believe, the 9th or 10th grade, they dropped a pair of flu games with the suede all over with the sick emoji, and I think it had like the 69 or 68 points or something like that. It had some type of accolades on the midsole of the sneaker. I just hope they don't revert back to those and just give us these again. I know you're probably like, why is he asking for these again? And it's mainly because, bruh, your boy didn't double up. I didn't double up. I'm not mad at Nike for bringing these back so quickly, because you gotta think, bro, 2016 was not that long ago, and we just got these flu games, and now we're gonna be getting them again. But this time, bruh, I'm gonna capitalize on it. I'm gonna get this one. I only need one pair because I already have these, but it kind of makes me think that Nike is gonna do something different, kind of give it a different twist, because why would they give us the same exact flu game within like a 10-year span? I don't know. And we still ain't got the taxis. Like, I don't know why they doing this, but it's definitely happening, man. And then one last shoe that I do have in the collection, I feel like Nike could definitely, you know, do some damage to, and it is the Air Jordan 5 black metallics, bro. And I just hope this is not the pair that they mess up. I truly need another pair. You guys to see they are extremely aged. This is pretty much a reimagined Black Metallic 5, if you want to call it that. But I need a fresh pair, need a crispy pair. And I heard that next year they will be going more towards the OG cut of the Airs and 5. So hopefully that's true. Hopefully that happens. But it kind of makes sense because we're getting the High 85 Bread 1s. We're getting the Flu Game 12s. I don't know what they're going to do with those. And we'll be getting these joints right here. So we're going to see how it looks. We're going to see some comparisons, of course, next year. Your boy already got a pair. Got these back in 2016, like I said. Haven't gotten a lot of wears out of these. And that's due to the fact that, I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. I took the black laces out of these and I completely lost them. So for the longest, I never had laces in my Black Metallics. They just had no laces and it was just sitting in my drop front. But now your boy got these joints in the rotation for sure to rock, because next year we're gonna be getting another clean, crispy pair of Black Metallic 5. And so I got a real quick question to ask you guys. I kind of should have been asked it, but I want to know down below in the comment section, man, which sneakers for 2025 that you've seen that are coming out are you most excited for? That's something I really want to know from you guys. Do we already have a projected sneaker of the year for 2025? I feel like it's not a clear cut what's going to be the sneaker of the year next year. You know, usually we kind of know what's going to be the sneaker of the year, or what the majority of people think the best shoe to drop in a year is. But 2025, bro, we have too many bangers, bro. Cool Grade 9s, Black Metallic 5s, Bread 1s. That is just to name 3. That's just 3 shoes I'm naming. There's so many other Jordans releasing, so many Jordans retroing, that it's going to be so hard for people to, you know, kind of say, you know, that one right there is definitely going to be one of my most highly prioritized sneaker of the year. And I don't want to just minimize it to Jordans, but I just feel like I'm a Jordan head, so all I'd be categorizing sneaker of the year, yeah, almost has to be a Jordan in my opinion, just for me personally. Me personally, I ain't saying it got to be a Jordan for y'all, but I feel like, you know, kind of Jordan, he popped off the sneaker community. He really got people going back and getting those older sneakers, some nostalgic sneakers. So for me, bro, Jordan always take the cake as far as sneaker-wise, as far as sneaker goes. But I really want to know, I really want to see you guys' comments, your reactions to what you're going to be most anticipating for 2025. Don't hold back. Let your boy DeVintage know. I'm very interested in knowing, man. Yeah, let them comments rip, man. So that's just to name a few OG colorways that we will be getting next year in 2025. I'm just hoping Nike doesn't mess it up. We've seen them do some crazy stuff with Jordan 1s. We've seen them do some crazy stuff with a bunch of OG colorways. Let's just hope that they don't ruin some of these 3 classic colorways I showed you guys in today's video. If you guys did enjoy today's video, man, make sure you subscribe right now to the channel. Hit the notification bell, and please give a huge like on today's video. I can't stress enough, man. I might go a long way. And if you're watching, you tapped in, you're rocking with your boy DeVintage, man. Just do that one thing for me. It's free, bro. That like is free 99, man. Let's get to it. Again, man, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. With all this being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video. And I got an early one to show you guys tomorrow, man. Stay tuned.